Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the Shooting Game Zone Nerf Target toy right here. So here we go with our fix for our Nerf gun addiction for today. And this is the Shooting Game Zone Target toy right there. So I would show you the box of this item for this to be technically an unboxing, but I would rather not. Okay, I'll let you see the glimpse. Box is right here. I would have done the unboxing properly with the item still on the inside. Box is kind of ugly, so let's leave that part out. So when you first unbox this toy right here, this is what it looks like. So it comes with these targets right here as shown on our image right here. So you just need to attach these on these levers right here, 4 of them, and that is the entire assembly part needed for our Shooting Game Zone Nerf Target toy right here.
Perfect.
Okay, so next order of business, this one is a battery powered one because this one has lights in here. This is the LED part right here. This is what tracks your score in terms of how many targets you have put down right there. And as you can see, there's our switch, our on and off switch right there, and our speaker grills right there, because this one will give us lights and sounds at the same time. So next order of business, as I've mentioned, we need to put 3 AA batteries on the battery compartment of our Shooting Game Zone Nerf toy target right here.
Perfect.
Okay, so just below the unit right here, this is where you would be finding the battery compartment right here. So all we need to do is remove that screw right there to insert our batteries. So you just have to open that notch right here so we can put in our batteries. And there we go. So we need 3 AA batteries right here to power our unit right here. So here are our batteries. So all we need to do is put this back right here and put in our screw right there. And there we go. Battery installed. Now we are ready to power on our Shooting Game Zone for our Nerf guns right here for the first time. So there you go. We have installed our batteries. As I've mentioned earlier, we have an LED right here which tracks our score, and every time you shoot a target right here, we should hear a sound from our machine right here coming out of the speaker, as I've mentioned earlier.
Perfect.
So every time we shoot this like so with our Nerf gun, there should be a score added on our LED screen right here. And if we shoot all 4 of them, our target toy right here should automatically reset the targets and put them up automatically for us to continue firing our Nerf gun at those 4 targets. So without further ado, let us power up our Shooting Game Zone Nerf Target toy for the first time. Wow, that is so great. So there you go with our LED display right here for the scores. As you can see, our Shooting Game Zone Nerf toy target right here had put up 4 targets for us. So should get our trusty Flight CS10 right here and start our targeting. Okay, so just to show you how this one works, I will just use the tip of our gun right here, our Flight CS-10, to knock down our targets right here, so we just can have a taste of what it looks like. That's one right there, right? That's two. That's three. And last one. So the toy automatically resets our targeting toy right here, so we can keep on firing and put up more numbers on our scoreboard LED right there.
Perfect.
So now let's do the targeting for real. So there you go, guys, with our Nerf addiction fix for today. So that is the Shooting Game Zone Nerf toy targeting system right here. So we would be using this one moving forward on our Nerf gun reviews. So hope you like this one. So we just wanted to share with you an update for this one in terms of our Nerf gun reviews. Hope you like our content / toy for today, and please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now we'll catch you guys on the next one.